What's good, YouTube? Somebody boy back with another car video. As y'all can see, y'all might be confused. We are on the camera now. I kind of want to start doing my car videos on my camera. I'm sorry if that's loud. I want to start doing my car videos on my camera just because I feel like the best way to get this channel to go up is the quality. So that's what we're gonna be doing. As you can see, we got the Camaro right here. The pollen is bad, bro. Like, I wish y'all could see it better. You can see it on the camera, but it's way worse. But right now, I'm gonna drive to a different place. Oh my gosh, look. Look at that. That's so bad. Anyways, if y'all can still hear me, I'm gonna drive to a different place and I'm gonna explain to y'all the best exhaust you can get on your Camaro for cheap. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all a cold start. It's kind of cold out. It's not cold, but it's like 60 degrees, you know. And we're gonna get y'all a cold start. Y'all, so I unfortunately cannot find my GoPro right now, which sucks because I need it. I wanted to do my POVs now because I don't like holding the phone, but I cannot find the GoPro, so I'm gonna find it eventually. I always lose it and then it just shows back up, but I'm pretty sure, bro, I have no idea where that is. Like, yeah, I have no clue where that shit is. But whenever I find it, I hope I do, because I got some videos on there that I do want to drop. But we got to find it. But I'm about to drive to some other spot so y'all can see. Why is it doing that? So y'all can see y'all can hear everything. Good, I start the car. Oh, there we go. All right, catch y'all there. This is also another reason I need my GoPro, so I can put the in the cabin sounds. But here's a little hack you can do to make your car seem louder, okay? Or to hear your car more. You can just drop the seat, okay? If you drop the seat, all the sound comes straight through the trunk. But yeah, this video is basically based on the best exhaust you can get for your best budget exhaust, basically. But yeah, we headed to the spot right now. We're not too far, so when we park, I'm gonna give y'all some revs. I absolutely forgot my tripod, but it's okay. Camaro is, bro. You can see the yellow, you can see the brown brakes. I ain't gonna lie, I might go to the wash. Even though my car is still gonna be dirty as hell, right after I might go, because this is bad. Like, y'all can see this, bro. This brake dust is so bad. But anyways, that's not what we're here for. We here so I can show y'all the best budget Camaro setup. So what we gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead. I'm gonna just go ahead and explain to y'all what I have done to the car. The car is muffler delete. That big ass suitcase looking thing, that is gone. And I have my secondary cats deleted. Now, only reason I did that is because I have a friend with a 10-speed. Well, I've been wanting to do it, but I have a friend with a 10-speed that has it done, and his just pops so much more, but his is like crazy pop, like sounds like a burble tune pop. But I guess the 8-speed doesn't do that. But I still do get more pops. I still do get loud. It still did get louder and all that. But yeah, like that's all I have done, literally. And just like I added a splitter, added side skirts. That's it. That's all I have done. But I'm gonna give y'all a warm start real quick so y'all can see how loud the warm starts are. You know what I'm saying? That was crazy. I'll show y'all under the car as much as I can. If you can see, let me brighten it up. All right, as you can see, the suitcase is gone. It's just pipes, and then I got quad tips, so it's split at the tips. If you go further under the car, you will see the secondary cats are not there. Bro, this loud ass helicopter. Yeah, look at the back of this. Look how dirty this shit is. Oh yeah, I gotta go to the car wash. At least go spray it off. It's gonna come back the same, but I got to. But that is all that's done to the car. I'm gonna give y'all some revs too. It does sound great. If you add headers to it, it'll sound crazier. If you completely straight pipe, it'll sound crazy. Any of those options will make your Camaro sound great. Now, I'll drive a little bit and let y'all get the full sound from like inside the cabin. If I had my GoPro, bro, I would do a POV. We on the road now. Let me get off this turn. Y'all hear them pops? That's what I'm saying. Like you get slight pops. I hope it's not too windy. Y'all can hear those pops. I'm gonna roll the window up. Yeah. Let me put y'all in the track. When you go track, you can definitely hear it because you get more like torque. So when you hit the gas harder, it's like, watch. What? There's so much traffic. Alright, y'all. So we somewhat did clean the Camaro. You see, we don't got the pollen all over it. It's still dirty, you know what I'm saying? Like the wheels are still bad. Man, I'm gonna get my windshield tinted soon. I keep telling y'all that, but I just don't want to pay for that shit, bro. This wheel needs cleaning very bad. What I might do though, I got some friends who live in Clemson, in Clemson, South Carolina, and that's actually only 2 hours and 37 minutes away. I mean, 2 hours and 30 minutes, I think. I'm pretty sure. But I wanna, they do detailing and stuff. So I might slide there one day. Oh, it's actually only 2 hours. Yeah, I might slide there one day to get y'all some content first, because one of them got a Mustang. So we can get some content with that. We can get some POVs on the way over there. I can take my car to Clemson University. I could do all that, but yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope y'all like this exhaust video. Make sure y'all boys subscribe if you're new, because I'm on this channel heavy right now. So if the content switches back to the phone, It's only because I want to get as much content out to y'all, and I can edit that on my phone and everything like this. I have to put it through the computer, do all that, and I have to actually take, like, I have to be at home to edit it because I have a PC, so you can't take the PC everywhere. I don't use my laptop no more. So yeah, we're gonna have to that's gonna be the only reason I get back on the phone. So just because I can edit it anywhere, post it from anywhere, stuff like that. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. I'm out.